The tissues which transport water and minerals and food to different parts of a plant are called vascular tissues. There are two types of vascular tissues in a plant, that are xylem and phloem. What do you mean by a tissue, children? A tissue is a group of similar cells which work together to perform a particular function. Plants have two independent transport pathways with different types of conducting tubes. They are xylem, which helps in the transport of water and minerals, and the other phloem, which transport the products of photosynthesis from the leaves to other parts of the plant. Xylem consists of tracheids, vessels, xylem fiber, and xylem parenchyma. See, children, the vessels and tracheids of the roots, stem, and leaves are interconnected to form a continuous system of water conducting channel reaching all parts of the plant. At the roots, cells in contact with the soil actively take up ions. This creates a difference in the concentration of these ions between the root and the soil. Therefore, water from the soil moves into the root. This means that there is steady movement of water into root xylem, creating a column of water that push water upwards, that is root pressure. See, children, this pressure is not enough to move water over the heights. So, plants use another strategy to move water upwards, that is transpiration. What is transpiration, children? Yes, the loss of water in the form of vapor from the aerial parts of the plant is known as transpiration. This creates a suction which pulls water from the xylem cells of the roots. That is called as transpiration pull. See, children, transpiration pull helps in the absorption and upward movement of water and minerals dissolved in it from the roots to the leaves. The effect of root pressure in transport of water is more important at night. During the daytime, transpiration pull becomes the major driving force in the movement of water in the xylem. Now let us study transport of food in plants. As you know that the conducting tissue which transport food is phloem. Phloem consists of sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fiber, and phloem parenchyma. The transport of soluble products of photosynthesis is called translocation. Besides the products of photosynthesis, that is glucose, phloem transports amino acids and other substances. These substances are especially delivered to the storage organs of roots, fruits, and seeds. The translocation of food and other substances takes place in the seed tubes both in upward and downward directions. See children, the translocation in phloem is achieved by utilizing energy.